Hello everyone. Hi Taurus. This is the reading for you. January monthly reading 2021 and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Taurus H sign. Let's see what's going on and messages for you. Taurus. Okay, first card Knight of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Who? Knight of Cups, Tower and Page of Pentacles. What's going on, Taurus? Commitment is coming in your way finally. Hierophant is here. I think for some there are some commitment issues are also going through. So let's see. I think your recent past someone has approached you. For some there are two persons, one with sincere offer and another with a lot of passion. Okay, because Knight of Pentacles is very sincere offer and that is very stable offer. But Knight of Wands, they are in and out of your life and they are very passionate about you. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor. In recent past everything is okay, but what's going now, definitely there are some issues going between you and your person you involved in connection. You walked away, yeah, and because there is some trouble moment, because there are some trust issues and Page of Pentacles, but communication is coming in your way. They want to send an apology message. Yeah, you walked away. Judgment, yeah, some major decision time, it's you have to make some decision. And Ace of Cups, definitely love is there, you love them, there is no doubt you love your person. And Nine of Swords, but you are going through something because you are in this energy. Nine of Swords, you are not sleeping at night times. Maybe you are thinking about them a lot. You are in some anxiety energy. This is not good for your health, Taurus. Yeah, for some it could be your person also. Energy could be vice versa. Maybe they feeling like this when you walked away. Okay, after the Tower moment, but decision is in your hands because the Judgment is here. But love is there, definitely. Ace of Cups is here, definitely love is there, but something happened between both of you. For some it could be third party situation, for some there is no commitment. Yeah, but someone is coming towards you. They are not if not, definitely they will come back because the Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy. They decided to come back. Okay, so the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. So first we will see your person current feelings. Taurus. For some you will get abundance also. Yeah, Five of Swords. Definitely there are some disagreements between you and your person. Whoa. Lot of readings got the Seven of Swords card. Yeah, definitely. I think miscommunication, false communication, some lies, cheating on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some deception between both of you. It creates resistance in the energy. But they are very passionate about you. They want brand new beginnings with you, Taurus. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you because Five of Swords is completing the fighting. Okay, they want to end the fighting between both of you. And Ace of Wands, yeah, they really want a new beginning with you. But Seven of Swords, yeah, there are some trust issues what I'm getting here. That's why you are in this energy. I think you don't know which decision you have to make. For some it could be third party situation also. You recently came to know about that. That's why you're in this energy. Yeah, for some your person feeling regret for what they did to you in past. Let's see the near future energy, near future actions towards you, Taurus. Your person near future actions. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, Ten of Wands. Knight of Wands. I think two persons I am seeing here. That's why you are not understanding which decision you have to make. You are in confusion because Knight of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. Two persons for some it could be one person. They are coming back with lot of passion, and this time your person is very sincere because Knight of Pentacles is very stable offer, and this time they're very sincere about commitment. But yeah, they're feeling this time so much burden due to their responsibilities, family responsibilities, whatever in work area or regarding the relationship, they're feeling overburdened. Yeah, for some it could, there are two persons coming towards you. For some it could be your only, if you have only one person that is coming with a lot of passion. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, this time your person is sincere. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Under the deck, 8 of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Taurus. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, you are feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Reconciliation. You are also feeling overburdened. I think you both are on the same page, what I'm getting here. Yeah, you both are feeling overburdened without each other. You both are feeling stuck without each other, what I'm getting. Yeah, they're ready to invest on this connection. 7 of Pentacles, and they are also investing their energy on financial stability, and they're ready to invest on this connection. But you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Right now the connection is also stuck. Yeah, 6 of Cups. Definitely you also want reconciliation with your person, but you are not expressing. But decision is yours, Taurus, because judgment is in your side. Definitely you have to make decision. They are coming back. If you allow them, there is reconciliation. If you're not, there is no reconciliation. It depends upon you only, because decision is in your hands. Definitely they are coming back with sincere offer. So for some there are two persons, for some it could be only one person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Taurus. See, yeah, you are reaching financial stability. You are working hard towards your goals and career. Definitely you are getting recognition, and you are getting more money. Husband commitment is also coming, and Page of Cups, apology. Definitely they are coming back with an apology, and 10 of Wands. You are also feeling overburdened because due to your work pressure or relationship wise, definitely you both are on the same page. You both are feeling very heavy. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. 2 of Cups, Empress, 9 of Cups. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability to this connection. They are wishing for this connection, and their wishes are going to be granted. The Empress, definitely they are seeing you as the Empress. And 2 of Cups, definitely there is love. You both could be soulmates also. Yeah, they're ready to offer equal give and take also. They have strong emotions for you, Taurus. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some oracle messages for you, Taurus. So many cards. A new start is coming. New moon. Work through your fears. Yeah. So your messages, a new start is coming. For some there will be reconciliation. I already told you, you let them in. Definitely there is new start is coming in your relationship. Yeah, if you want reconciliation, definitely it is coming. A new start is coming, and work through your fears. Definitely you are feeling stuck, you are in anxiety. You have to because 9 of swords and 8 of swords and 10 of wands, this is not good energy at all. Definitely you have to work through your fears, you have to face it and you have to overcome it. Okay, this is the time to work through your fears. Okay, so work through your fears. This is the time to work through your fears and your new start is coming. Yeah. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.